Okay, guys. Now, there's something I want to show you. There's something I want to show you that is really, really impressive. I don't know if you've heard of Grant Free platform. So, if you type grantfree.network now on your browser, it will take you to this platform where you can make at least $100 in a day. In a day, per day you make $100,000. And on this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make this money right now. So now, without wasting much time, I want you to click on the subscribe button and like this video, and try as much as possible to watch this video to the end. Now, looking at it right here, we have the this is my dashboard. You can see my name. I'm seeing level 1. Now, I just come about this thing recently, and I will tell you how far I will show you how far I've gone. You understand? So we are all looking for a way to make money online. I tell you, this is very easy and superb. Very easy. Anybody can do this. It doesn't require any skill. You don't need to know how to operate your system. You don't need to know how to do affiliate marketing. You don't need to know how to type. Just follow this simple step. First thing first, click on the link below under the description of this video. The link there, you click on the link, it will take you straight to your registration platform where you are going to register with your details. Now you can register with your Gmail account or email account or your Facebook. Any of them is accepted. As simple as this. With a click, your registration is done. You pick a username, like you see my username here, Anthony Efe. Now, so far so good. Now, how do you generate money? Now the question, how do I make money? Because that is the question, that is the cocoa. Then how do I make money on this platform? Now, you can make money by inviting your friends. Now, if you invite one single friend, you'll be given 5 gram. 5 gram. Calm down. 5 gram. Listen, 5 gram. Now, if you roll, there's a called free roll. You can also make money through free roll. I'm going to show you that. So now this is, and so far I've done 8 free roll. So when you make a single roll, you get at least 0.1 gram or 1 gram at most, or 0.1 gram at least. Now, other way to make money is smart contract. Smart contract. When you create a smart contract, you automatically uh given 5 gram. See that for this is the third way to make money on this platform. Now, another way to make money is watching videos and uploading videos. Right now, this particular video, I'll be uploading it straight to gram free platform, where I'll be giving 10 gram 10 gram. Then when I watch a video, I'll be giving 5 gram. See how lucrative it is. Now let's see what is the valuation of a gram on free gram platform. Now this way you invite, you can see here, for each registration user you get 5.0 gram. See, it's cool. Then this is the next row. This is free row. Now I click on my last row. So in the next few minutes, 6 minutes, I'll be having my next roll go free. It's for free of charge. Now we have also lottery ticket left. We have lottery ticket where you can buy ticket with your gram and play and see how you can win. Now this is it. This is it. I have 70.7 gram so far. Now, please look here, and a gram price, 1 gram is equivalent to $1.83. That means if you have 10 gram, you automatically have $5 plus, $5 to $6 to $7. Let's put it $6 to $7. So for 5 grand, 10 gram, almost $15. Wow, this is mind blowing, mind blowing. So now, so far I've not deposited, so far I've not withdrawn any of my grant because I just started this platform of recent, and I think there is need. So on it, this thing also calculate on people that are online that I show you. It shows you grams of people who are doing a free roll. You see 2 points, 1 point, that means 1 grand, 2 grand. Uh, smart contract was concluded 4 minutes ago. 2 points was given to the person. Um, YouTube video was watched. That was, I think this is me at my activities timeline. I was given 1 point, 2 points for getting a smart contract concluded. Then 1 point YouTube video was watched. 1 point. The 1 point Pharaoh for 5 minutes. So far so good. This is my activities. Inactive referral, I have none, and return referral, I have none. Active referral, I have still none because I only have one referral and it's still on the pending level. So now this is it. So click on the link right below this video now and sign up for free. It will not take you a second, it will not take you more than 5 minutes to start making money on your usual time. So I'm signing off. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the button.